Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a common question I get asked a lot. Why is my Monese payment pending? If you're a Monese user, you may have noticed that sometimes your payments are pending. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to make a payment that needs to go through quickly. In this video, I'm going to explain why your Monese payments might be pending and what you can do to resolve the issue. What is a pending payment? Before we get started, let's define what a pending payment is. A pending payment is a payment that has been initiated but has not yet been completed. This is usually because the payment is still being processed by the bank or other financial institution. Why are Monese payments pending? There are a number of reasons why your Monese payments might be pending. Here are some of the most common reasons. The merchant is taking longer than usual to process the payment. This is often the case for online payments. The bank is taking longer than usual to process the payment. This can happen if the bank is busy or if there is a technical issue. The payment amount is too high. Monese has a limit on the amount of money you can send or receive in a single transaction. If your payment amount is too high, it will be rejected. The payment information is incorrect. If you entered incorrect information when making the payment, it will be rejected. The payment is being reviewed by Monese fraud team. Monese takes fraud very seriously, and they will sometimes review payments to make sure that they are legitimate. What can you do to resolve a pending payment? If your Monese payment is pending, there are a few things you can do to try to resolve the issue. Wait for the payment to process. In most cases, the payment will eventually process. Contact the merchant or bank. If the payment is taking a long time to process, you can contact the merchant or bank to ask about the status of the payment. Check your Monese account for any error messages. If there is an error message associated with the payment, you can try to resolve the issue by following the instructions in the message. Contact Monese customer support. If you are unable to resolve the issue on your own, you can contact Monese customer support for help. How to avoid pending payments in the future. There are a few things you can do to avoid pending payments in the future. Make sure you enter all payment information correctly. This includes the recipient's name, account number, and amount. Make sure the payment amount is within Monese limits. Make sure the merchant or bank is able to process your payment. Be patient. It can sometimes take a few days for a payment to process. I hope this video has helped you understand why your Monese payments might be pending and what you can do to resolve the issue. If you have any other questions about Monese, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.